Hi friends, today we will explore one more topic, that is aging. We all don't want to become aging, right? Or we all don't want to become old age. No matter what age you are, day by day you will get older. You do not have control over it, but what you have control over it is how you can take control of your age, how you can take control of your behavior in any age. That you have control. By controlling or by taking a control over it, you can say age is just the number. It doesn't have any control over you. How? We will see today, okay? Do you think that we have to get sick when you are old? Need not. That is again the old belief. You are hating your body. If you hate your body when you become old, then you will get sick, okay? If you think that it is just the natural process, nothing will happen. Believing the lack of time, anger, hatred, bitterness, shame, guilt, fear, prejudice, self-righteousness, being judgmental, carrying all the burdens are the problems of our age. When you are doing this, then yeah, definitely your age will give you the dis-ease. So this dis-ease will give you the illness, okay? Feeling vital, energetic is more important than having one or two wrinkles in our face. If you are worried about these one or two wrinkles in our face, what will happen? You'll get more wrinkles. Because you are worried about those wrinkles, so you'll get more wrinkles. So accept it. When you are aging, some changes will be there. Accept it. But be energetic. You feel energetic. You feel vital, energetic. Then these wrinkles at this age will not touch you anyway, your energy. You are beautiful. That which we are not accepting. We are thinking that we are beautiful only at the young age. No, you are beautiful at any age. Okay, you don't lose your love because you are getting aged. You accept it. Self-acceptance, self-love is always required in any age. Every day, if you start looking something wrong with you, then you worry about that something wrong or something the wrinkle that you get it. If you take the 1900s, in those days, the 47 years is the age expectancy. Now, we are living in the age of 80 years is the normal way. 80 years is very normal way. Those days, 40s is the mid-age. Now 40s is no more a mid-age. 70s is the mid-age. So when we moved all these things, right, when we moved all the levels, then we have to move. We should no longer feel that we are becoming old or we cannot no longer hold to that our old beliefs. If you leap your consciousness, if you increase your consciousness, if you vibrate into the higher consciousness, you can leap to the age instead of 80, 90s, you can leap to 120, 150. That is possible with your thinking, with your mental accepting, the age becomes just the number if you accept it. Change your thinking will change your life. Okay, friends, change your thinking will change your life. Aging, and make that aging process as a positive, vibrant and healthy. Okay, that aging process, you make it positive, vibrant and healthy. Elders of excellence. Think elders are excellent. They are not the oldish people. They are excellent. You come out of that victim mentality. Where when you are becoming an old, you are not a victim. You come out of that victim mentality. You can do many things that you can do at that age, right? To do that, in order to achieve that, try to understand between the body-mind connection. When you can understand the body-mind connection, whatever you think in your mind, that's how the body acts. If you think that, oh, I'm aged, I can't do anything, yeah, your body acts in the same way. When you think that age is a number, you can do anything at that age, then yes, you can do it. Okay, what are your beliefs about your aging? First write down, take a pen and paper, write down what are your beliefs about aging, how are your parents are aging, how old do you feel now, what are you doing to help your societies, country and the people around you or the people in the planet. How do you create love in your life? Who are the positive role models? What are you teaching to your children about aging? What are you doing today to get perfect health, happy and vital when you are at the old age? How do you feel about and treat older people now? How do you envision your life in 60s, 70s and 80s? How do you want to treat when you are older? How do you want to die? Okay, write all the things, answers, and go back now and see whenever there is a negative affirmation, whenever you feel some negative affirmation, then fill up that or change that into the positive way, how you can think. Okay, think that there is a rainbow because your age, at the end of that, think that there's a golden pot is waiting for you. You have lot of treasures at your old age. You have all the time that you wanted to have in your life. You have many things that you want to do for yourself. You have many things that you want to enjoy even at the old age. Okay, so what are the secrets of youthening, right? We will see what are the secrets of youthening. Just see, release the word old from our vocabulary. We do not have any old from vocabulary. Old from long living. Instead of aging, replace that with a long living. Be willing to accept the new concepts. Take a quantum leap in thinking. Modify our beliefs. Change what we consider normal. We consider becoming old is now and getting sick is normal, right? Change that belief. Turn disease into vibrant health. Take good care of your bodies. Release your limiting thoughts, limiting beliefs. Embrace new ideas. Accept the truth about yourself. Give selfless service to your communities. That gives you a lot of satisfaction, friends, and you will be in vibrant health all the time. We wanted to create a conscious level ideal for later years, that what you do now. So whatever you do now, that is going to give you the rewards in the later phases of your life. We will see some of the affirmations, how you can keep for any age, right? I release all age-related fears. Just forget about all the fears which is related to age. I am beautiful in my mind and body. I am self-sufficient and strong. It is my birthright to live fully and freely. I love and loved by everyone in the world. My joyful thoughts create a joyful world. People appreciate me every age. I rise above all my limitations, and my divine is guiding me and inspiring me. I am beautiful, empowered at any age. My life continues to get better and better day by day. I radiate health, happiness, prosperity, and peace of mind. I'm always the perfect age wherever I am in my life. Friends, take one or two affirmations which is suiting to you. Affirm yourself. Age is just the number. You can do anything at any age, and you can achieve anything at any point in time in your life. Okay, friends, we'll come up with one more topic tomorrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you.